Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to install ReShade on FiveM. Firstly, visit the official ReShade website at reshade.me and download the latest version. Open the Download ReShade installer. In the ReShade setup window, select your FiveM executable file. You can find this in your FiveM installation folder, which is usually Updata directory. So, once you've selected the FiveM executable, the installer will ask for the graphics API. Just choose DirectX 10, 11 or 12, commonly used for FiveM. The installer will offer optional effects packages. You can select all or only specific ones. Once ReShade is installed, drag all the required ReShade configuration files from the installation folder into your FiveM application data directory. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.